If you're over 60, your morning coffee could be doing a lot more than waking you up. What if one simple powder added to your coffee could help protect your muscles, improve your balance, support your joints, and even help you stay independent longer? Because after 60, losing muscle isn't just about looking weaker. It can mean slower walking, trouble climbing stairs, difficulty getting out of a chair, and a much higher risk of falls. And here's the scary part. Many seniors lose muscle every single year without even realizing it. But today, you'll discover first science-backed ingredients that can transform your morning coffee into a powerful muscle support drink for strength, mobility, and healthy aging. And number one may be the most important ingredient your body has been missing. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass. This process is called sarcopenia, and it accelerates after the age of 60. That's why many seniors notice weaker legs, slower movement, poor balance, fatigue, and reduced independence. But researchers now know something important. Muscle loss is not just about aging, it's also about nutrition. The right nutrients can help your muscles stay stronger, recover faster, and function better, especially when used consistently. And since millions of seniors already drink coffee every morning, adding these ingredients is one of the easiest habits to start today. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. So, let's get into the top 4 ingredients you should consider adding to your coffee after 60. Ingredient number 1, creatine. This may surprise you. Most people think creatine is only for bodybuilders or young athletes, but some of the strongest research on creatine is actually focused on older adults. Creatine helps your muscles produce quick energy. And as we age, our natural creatine stores decline. That can contribute to muscle weakness, slower movement, poor recovery, and reduced strength. Studies show that older adults who use creatine, especially alongside light activity or walking, may experience improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and physical performance. And here's what makes it powerful. Creatine doesn't work like caffeine. You won't feel it instantly. It works gradually by saturating your muscles over time. That's why consistency matters. Many experts recommend about 3 to 5 grams daily, and coffee is one of the easiest ways to remember to take it. Ingredient number 2, MCT oil. Now let's talk about energy. Many people over 60 wakes up feeling tired, sluggish, or mentally foggy. That's where MCT oil comes in. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. These healthy fats are rapidly converted into fuel by the body. Unlike heavy fats that take longer to digest, MCTs provide quick energy for both the brain and muscles. Many seniors report better focus, steadier energy, reduced afternoon crashes, and improved stamina. And here's another benefit. Maintaining muscle isn't only about protein. Your muscles also need energy to function properly. When energy levels improve, people tend to move more, walk more, and stay active longer. Start with a small amount, about 1 teaspoon, because too much too quickly may upset the stomach. Ingredient number 3, collagen. After 60, joint pain and stiffness can make movement difficult, and when people move less, muscles weaken faster. That's why collagen may help more than many people realize. Collagen is one of the main proteins found in joints, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and skin. But collagen production declines significantly with age. Some studies suggest collagen peptides may support joint comfort, mobility, muscle recovery, and healthy connective tissue. Ingredient number 4, turmeric with black pepper. This golden spice may be one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory ingredients you can add to your routine. As we age, chronic low-grade inflammation can slowly damage muscles and joints. That inflammation may contribute to stiffness, soreness, reduced mobility, and slower recovery. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. But there's a catch. Curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. That's why black pepper matters. Black pepper contains piperine, which dramatically improves curcumin absorption. Together, they form a much more effective combination. Here's what most people get wrong. They try something for 3 days, maybe a week, then quit because they don't feel instant results. But healthy aging doesn't come from one magical drink. It comes from consistent daily habits. That's the real secret. The seniors who stay strong, mobile, and independent into their 70s, 80s, and beyond are usually the ones who build simple routines they can stick with. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because this channel is dedicated to helping adults over 60 stay strong, active, and independent naturally.